Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sohail. I work as Program Manager Rural with WaterAid Pakistan. My association with WaterAid Pakistan is since last 12 and a half years, and I have been working on SUSWASH project since 2017. I would like to take this opportunity to take you through the work which WaterAid Pakistan is doing on system strengthening through our SUSWASH project. Our SUSWASH interventions are focused in District Thatta, which is in Sindh Province. The district has 0.98 million population. Administratively, it is divided into 40 union councils, out of which our project activities are focused at 7 union councils, which comes to approximately 65,000 people. Under this project, we are working with 250 plus villages, 138 schools, and 5 healthcare facilities. The ground implementation of the project is focused at district level, while our policy and advocacy efforts are focused at the provincial and national level. At the start of the project, we conducted a comprehensive context analysis around 11 building blocks, and we prioritized 4 of those building blocks to focus our SUSWASH interventions around. These 4 building blocks are highlighted here in blue circles. As part of a technical working group on school wash, we promoted coordinated school wash planning. Similarly, at district level, we strengthened the district coordination committee. We work very closely with education department at the provincial level to strengthen their school monitoring system by integrating uh, indicators on functionality and gender friendliness. Similarly, we supported provincial and district government in their efficient and effective wash planning by establishing mapping of the available wash resources. And we work very closely with the district coordination committee at the district level to establish a mechanism to critically review and evaluate wash plans and budgets. Beside these 4 main blocks, as you know, the sector strengthening is a integrated process. So uh, we were also working on like integrating gender and social inclusion into our activities as well as promoting them with the partners we are working. We also work on enhancing the finances for WASH through our policy and advocacy work. And similarly, we also ensure that whatever we do is environmental friendly. And to support that entire thing, we also have developed service delivery models among communities at the district level. These are some of the activities to strengthen WASH systems under our SUSWASH project. We are working very closely with the provincial and district government to develop mapping of the available public water supply and sanitation systems and to identify where the gaps are. Through our lobbying with the education department, we managed to include new functionality and gender friendliness indicators into their monitoring systems. Based on this, they have collected data from the entire Sindh province, and now currently the report is being compiled. This report will give you a clear indication of the coverage and gaps within school WASH. At the district level, there is a government notified coordination committee, and we are working with them to uh, establish a mechanism where the district WASH plans and budgets could be critically reviewed, debated, and gaps identified. We are also working with a group of parliamentarians and media to highlight WASH issues from the area, as well as to kind of bring the issues to the policy level. Through our 4 years journey under SUSWASH, we have witnessed certain significant changes. Uh, we have been, like, through our lobbying with the education department, we have been able to integrate additional indicators into their monitoring system, which is very, very rare for a civil society organization to convince a government organization to change their system. And that will significantly help in improving the school wash once the data is out and that report is generated. Similarly, we have been able to mobilize around 65,000 people in 250 villages to give up open defecation and attain a ODF status. So now these 65,000 communities are living in a healthier environment in terms of their sanitation conditions. Um, at the government level, we have been able to improve the coordination mechanisms. The various projects which were working in isolation, they came together and there were coordinated plans developed, and now everybody is kind of coordinating their plans to avoid duplication and save resources. Similarly, another significant thing which we were able to achieve was integration of menstrual hygiene management uh, into provincial teacher training manual. Through our work with the education department, we supported them in developing training manuals, which were endorsed by the provincial government, and now they are being used as part of their regular training materials, uh, which is a great going, I think, in terms of progress for this project. These are some of the lessons that we learned through our work on system strengthening. While working with the government, you need to identify right level of champions and like-minded people to accelerate the progress. In our case, we luckily found one similar champion within education department. She had her personal passion to do something for girls' education. She helped us in integrating MHM into teachers' training manuals and proposing improvement in school wash monitoring system. Another learning is that instead of doing standalone plans, you need to coordinate your plans with other stakeholders, especially government. That provides you leverage, saves you resources, and brings in sustainability to the entire process. Uh, Government traditionally works with a very bureaucratic approach, which is time consuming. So fixing timelines at times cannot be possible, and you need to build a cushion of flexibility within your plans to cater for that. And last but not the least, SUSWASH being system strengthening focused project gave us an opportunity to work in an integrated manner. So the program unit, policy advocacy unit, we work hands in hand to achieve the objectives. Thank you very much for your attention and patience.